The LG V20 user here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get dark mode on Google Chrome. So if you guys want to have dark mode on every website on Google Chrome, this is the current extension to have. So yeah, so any website that you guys visit will have a dark theme to it. So what you guys want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store here, go up into the search bar here, type in dark mode night reader. Alright, type in that in the search bar right there, hit enter, and you guys will see a whole bunch of them here. The one to get is the very first one that says dark mode night reader. Click on add to Chrome. So just click on this. I'll show you guys what it does. So basically, you turn any web page to a dark theme here, as you guys can see right there. So that's really cool. So they have, like, you know, all that, you know. That's really cool. So just add the Chrome here. It's checking. Just add extension. And it's been added to my Google Chrome extensions there on the right. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, y'all can go to any page you want. I'm going to my videos page, and you guys want to hit refresh here, and it should turn dark here. Well, that didn't do nothing. This if you guys want to get to a dark thing, you just click on this over here. Click on that. This is like a dark gray theme, the same thing as it is on YouTube. And you have a couple of different options. You have a dark gray theme right here. You have a black theme right here, which is this right here, which is pretty cool. And you guys have like a gray theme with a white shuffle on it. And you guys have the regular layout. So you guys have a few options there to choose from. So that's really cool. So whatever site that you guys go to will have a dark theme on it. So you just click on the ones, it'll have a dark gray theme. Click on it again, it'll have a black theme. Click on it again a third time, it'll have like a gray theme with the white stuffing and all that. And click on it the fourth time, it'll take you back to normal. So that's how you guys get the dark mode on Chrome. It's really easy. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.